Look at these people. I've never seen so many people. So it's been a couple of days. So today I didn't know what to do for dinner. So Mr. Man will tell me, say, look, a corned beef can work. And me asking corned beef and what? You know. I'm gonna feel for corned beef. So may I go do fish. So the fish in this thaw out. I finish cut up my little pumpkin, carrot, potato, all kind of something for putting in it, and just get it ready so that when the fish thaw out, now we can just throw in everything in everything. So I don't know what I'm gonna eat it with, but hopefully as I go along with you guys out, because I don't know, I don't feel for nothing. I don't know. I don't know what I feel for today, but I don't feel for no corned beef. I don't even feel for no fish, to be honest. But something like so. I come for cut up the fish now because that then kind of long for the pot and what I want to do. So this is something like one Parasite in a one, and no, me don't want none of them. But me don't want to waste my money because fish there, so me gonna keep the one where me not see no Parasite, you know. And I'm gonna throw the other one away. Now I wanna look at this and tell me awa. Because I know me normally see them something here like attack shrimp and then something there. Then always under the look apart this so yeah. So I know that this is something that attacks sea creatures. I'm not cook this. Like I'm not trouble it. I'm not do nothing. I'ma just put it in the bin. Okay? So look at this and tell me what y'all think. So see the fish here. Cut up on everything. I'm not like too outrageous, but like right this one. You see that? Ew. Got gross. Like why? Yeah, me not taking a check with that. I'm sorry. I'm not eating that. Sorry. So that fish are going in the rubbish. I'm gonna try my luck with that one, yeah. I feel for that shit with some like I'm done cut up something them already for make something, you know. But I forgot about that pasta soup. I don't know. Gosh. I'm vexed, you know? I'm vexed because fish very expensive. So I called Jerome to tell him, but he said he and cold, so he want to come off her phone and him indirect down the road I come. So I go wait till he reach in. Got him literally there so. So me I make him look on it and decide if he want the other one, cause me not eat the other one. Me not eat none of them. Me go throw away the one with the Parasite, but the other one, me not want the other one. Like now that me see that now, my mind just turn. I me not want it. So if he wants it, I'll cook it, but I'm not eating it. Okay. Okay.
Be not embarrassed.
You're not embarrassed, you know. Just a tell our story.
Let me suppose I'm not going to put it toilet, mate. Without this.
B.
Joy, you can't plug out. What story?
So I plan to make fish start.
Alright, guess what? Oh.
So just we don't do.
How up?
What me now?
You what?
Me didn't know I go cut it up for do sitting now.
Sometimes I'm sitting there in my belly. How that?
No Parasite.
Shit. So what are you eating there?
Me don't know. So me say me nah them done out there too. Uncle that one day, you know.
So I don't want them when you're making it.
Who to cook them? So me cut up everything and left it there. And then me
I'm
don't cook
mind for them
that.
fish. I'm enjoying fish. Where's the dash you?
Me do I see.
Look at me didn't have us, man. You're so horrible. Auntie, so wrong? What kind of someone? Me not like this. It's true, there's something smell bad, man. Look how I'm sitting there just money hungry, okay? Why are you going to show me? Come on that way.
Hello.
I'm not going to be me. That's not what kind of surprise ever.
No, me didn't want to see.
Live. So I'm saying, is I'm alive? It's probably good then. Never fish the name. You fish the eat.
Me don't know. No, but then take out the guts and everything and that left in there. So I wouldn't eat it. I know, my girl. Alright, go in there after then kill it.
Never? Okay, I don't know. Nothing?
Enough feed in fridge. I will never transport it. Yeah, so I have my cabbage. One look a lazy carrot. I want sweet pepper. Might get one next color in the feel like, you know, zhuzh it up, but so far that's what I'm gonna use. I just all cut up that. Oh yeah, I'm gonna do cabbage and saltfish. So I'm gonna take out the saltfish and put that for boil. Then I'm gonna do potato. Maybe I do potato. Sweet potato, Irish potato. Probably can boil and plant and put in there too, I don't know. And so we do. This is actually starting to turn into a cooking vlog kind of thing because every time I cook, at that time I start talk to, you know. And that's only because I don't do anything else. I can't count on work with me because I'm working, so you understand? So I may not do nothing else. Like I literally do nothing else. I day home, I go work, I come back home. Like I don't do anything. So this is the only time we get to talk, guys. So wanna talk to me. Talk to me, let me know what is going on with you. Tell me about the cabbage. Wanna eat with cabbage? Tell me if you don't like cabbage, because one time, guys, let me tell you, I did not used to like cabbage. Remember I never used to cook cabbage, and all them cook it with the canned beef and something. Never used to like it. Like it just look and it did smell but no offense to y'all that like it. I mean, maybe if I try it now, I would probably like it. But from a little bit, me just never. My mother never give me cabbage to eat, so me just never eat it. But live with my grandmother at one point. She never give me cabbage to eat, so me just never eat it. And then in my mind, me just like, me just not like it. In my mind. But then me start eat it. I think somebody gave me curry cabbage one day. Guys, don't knock it till you try it. Me said the lady curry the cabbage give me, you know. Me say, and I loved cabbage since then. Me don't know of a curried cabbage. I should probably try. Not today though. But I should probably try to do that one day. Not sure. But she curry a cabbage, give me a sip. It nice. And that is how I started to eat. Now watch my bump. Okay? Don't watch my bump. That is how I started to eat cabbage. So tell me what you not eat cabbage with and how you not cook it. If you ever tried the curry cabbage, tell me. Write it now. I'm gonna stop talking. Okay, do it. Like the video while you're there. Okay, perfect. So yeah, tell me, talk to me, because this is the only time we get to talk nowadays. So I'm going to show you guys what I'm doing. You can just kind of watch while I do my thing. Got the saltfish. I'm gonna put it to boil. Alright, so the saltfish I boil some. I'm gonna put up them here and prep them to cook down, and then figure out what I'm going to with. Alright, so I have this much now. I'm gonna put it in some salt, water to wash off, and then put up the rest of something. I'll come back. Okay guys, so I done cut up the saltfish I boiled for the second time now, and now I'm gonna need some flour. As you can see, I don't have more space for do nothing because I have up on the next side of the counter, so I'm gonna need that and come back. Today is Friday, so we not really, today we normally do pizza, but me just not feel for nothing. Like, me have appetite, me hungry, but me just not feel for nothing. It's something me normally eat. Me want something else. Me want something different. Like, what else did if you eat? Like, wanna eat on Friday? Cause me don't know. Probably if I go find one jerk pan and get buy one jerk chicken at a festival or something. I don't know. But yeah, we need some other options of what I can eat or what we can eat, because this dumpling and rice and pasta and pizza, dumpling, rice, peas, potato, yam, banana, plant, like every day. So something else I did it. Yeah, write it down at the bottom there, so local section there. So I'm gonna eat on Friday, because I don't know, I'll make this, like, my love not going at this, because me really not feel feed. Alright, love probably in there, because I actually enjoy this, like, I do it and I talk to or something. But I don't know, I just not feel for this. This can't be it. Just starch. That's all we eat, starch. You know, so I fried dumpling should I make? You got butter, kind of something really nice. What's a fried dumpling should I make? See, then get the option. Dumpling, wild dumpling, fried dumpling, fried dumpling, dumpling, yum, plant, potato, rice. That's all we eat. I'm tired of it. And my husband is not an easy person, so you know everything you know eat. You know eat this, you know eat fish neither. When we got married, he never eat fish. And we convinced him one day, so just try it, just try it. And he tried it and he didn't like it, and that's why he started to eat fish. And then yesterday I'm gonna show him the sitting in the fish now. He said no want no more fish to eat. God have mercy. So he's not somebody way adventurous with food. Jamari wake and he not see nobody saying around there kick up a storm. That's when you really go foot there and come. Here? Yes? Mommy? 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 Hi. Hi, baby. I have to wash my hand, wait. The manager ready for me to come off of this video something here. The manager said me day in here at 5. Yes, Jamari. Hi. You there, boo? Oh, the baby. Hmm? Hmm? Oh. That's a true mission. It's something that's on the back burner and it's hard to reach it, guys. I'm too tiny. Like, cha. But alright, let me see if we can show you what the potter say. Not like the potter say no.
Cabbage is grabbing, okay? What's that going, babe? What's going on? Oh, let me tell you what I'm going to. Like all my cravings are come true. Coming from work, I didn't travel my usual route. So I walk past one store. And I said, no man, if I will look break and say, have a look here. Because there's something I've been looking for the longest while. Who know, understand. I love my cornflakes, you see it? I'm into cornflakes with that, but the original cornflakes, like red and white style, yeah. But the milk something I can't do it. I have to mix my cornflakes with Lasco, vanilla Lasco. Can't get a Lasco, so I went online and said, I try to see if I can find it on Amazon. Last resort. I'm going to see it again. £56 for one Lasco. I said, no, that's not good. So my path, I'm looking at different place. Look at it. So, we take up some more and I say, no. So I say, see you normally have these things. I'm in several boxes. Yes, I'm sorry, don't worry, I'll be coming up here. You can go buy more. I'm saying, since you're there, right there, so now I know where to go. I'm going to quite a few other things like the Korean so they actually want and shall be going there. Get me a choice there. Yeah. Anyways, I'm a good bike. I'm gonna eat my food now. I'm gonna eat nice guys. I'm hungry bad.
Bye guys, like the video. Don't forget to leave your comments down below. Share one of the video them on the like, on a laugh till in a week, or when they feel like touched, you know. Share a video, guys. Come on, it's free. Okay, help us to grow the channel. Share something, like something, do something before something do no. Okay, and game bye.